Hey guys, Luck here. Today, quick video to show you how to fix your water hose if you have a damaged or leaking male or female hose adapter. The female goes to your faucet. The male one is where you do all your attachments to. So this one is obviously here damaged. It's always twisting, it cracked, it's leaking. And this part doesn't even move anyway, so it's hard to install stuff. I have one more that I'm going to show you that I'm also going to replace. I got two of these kits. The other one that's leaking right at the seams, so same thing, we're going to replace this whole unit as well. If we're replacing the male adapter, you pick one of these guys up. This is part number 56687-11, if that means anything, but basically it's a male hose mender. You can find these online. There's all different variations. I actually picked this one up right in Home Depot a few minutes ago. It's a complete kit, everything you need, and all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and really a knife to install it. And with the heat wave going on right now, I'm surprised to find anything because shelves are pretty emptied out. But yeah, I also picked up one for the female in case I need to change that at some point. Each one was about $5 or so. Then I picked up this quick disconnect that I want to try to quickly connect your accessories. That was a pretty cool buy. We'll see how that works. But basically, I'm gonna clip this off, remove this. This is the kit you get in. I'm gonna grab my hose, find a good section, cut off any damaged parts. Just like that. That's the inside of your hose if you're curious. This is a protective layer, and then there's the actually inner hose. And now we're gonna loosen this piece up. This one is marked 5/8 to 3/4, which I'm assuming is most common hose sizes, as there was no other options in the store at the moment. Online I've seen lots of variations of these. Let's slide this on here. And now all we're doing is grabbing this piece, get it in there all the way, just like that. And this one comes with a nice heavy duty clamp like this. Some of them will come just with a clamp like this. Either one will work, but obviously this will prevent any bend in here, especially when you hold it, screwing things in. So I just gotta loosen this up a little more. There we go. There it is. And for the female, like I showed you, it's a simpler design. All you're using is a regular hose clamp. So now let's test this and we'll be all set. I'm gonna install my attachment. Turn the water on. No leaks. We are all good. Yep, all solid. So another thing I wanted to try was these quick connects. Really show you guys. So the idea with this, you install one on each hose in your device, and now I can have the water on, and the water's not coming out because there's a little, like a pressure switch. Once you click it in, there we go. Put this down, which I'm gonna test how hard the water pressure flows as empty this out. As it has a little stopper right here, which means that might restrict some water flow. So I'm actually completely remove this if I need more power, which means that then there won't be that stopping portion when you disconnect it. But still, a cool idea. Anyway, guys, that's how you fix a hose. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching, and follow for more cool how-to videos. One quick tip before you decide to replace these: make sure that inside your hose you do have that rubber ring. That is one reason why you might get them leaking, if it's not around the hose part but around the adapter. If the rubber ring is in there, then obviously some other pieces are leaking. Same with your tools, with your shower heads, whatever. Same thing. The female part always has a rubber ring. That's what keeps the water from leaking.